Look, this isn't for someday. This is for right now. If you have ever felt stuck, like you're just waiting for the perfect moment to really start your life, then this is for you. Just take a look at this, the tangled mess of thoughts, that feeling of being asleep on the couch of your own life, that door to opportunity that feels just out of reach. Does any of this ring a bell? We all have that thing, don't we? That pile of work, that promise to get healthier, that tough conversation we keep putting off. And we tell ourselves the same story every single time. I'll start. But when you look at the calendar, today somehow always seems to be the wrong day. There's always a reason why tomorrow is going to be so much better, so much more perfect to begin. And that right there, that's the real tragedy of it all. One day, you're going to wake up and it's going to hit you that all those todays you skipped, those were the ones that held all the power. So let's talk about that trap, the one that is so easy to fall into. It's this cozy, comfortable idea that later is a real place on the map, a destination we'll eventually get to. You know, we think change is this nice, gentle slope that we can just casually walk up whenever we feel like it, but that's not how it works. The truth is, life changes suddenly, right at the edge of a cliff. It happens in the instant you decide to act, or in the instant you realize you're out of time. And this is how later fools us. We feel like we're just treading water, drowning in the day-to-day. We're so busy just surviving that we tell ourselves we'll get to the important stuff later, when things calm down. But here's the secret. Things never calm down. So why do we do this to ourselves? It's not because you're weak or you lack willpower. Oh no, it's much deeper than that. There's some powerful psychology at work here, and it's designed to keep you exactly where you are. And I need to be really, really clear about this. This is not some character flaw. You are not lazy, you are not broken, you are simply stuck in a loop. A pattern of behavior that has become so normal, so familiar, you might not even notice it anymore. I want you to really let this sink in. The vast majority of people don't fail because they lack the talent, or the smarts, or the skill. They fail because they just never really start. They fail because they delay that first step, and then the second, and the third, until the chance is just gone. And this brings us right to the heart of the problem. We are addicted to comfort. Not like a comfy chair, but the comfort of avoidance. See, our brains are hardwired to want rewards right now, and putting something off gives us this tiny little hit of relief. It's a reward for doing nothing, and we choose that feeling over and over instead of the much bigger, better reward of actually doing the work. So, this leads us to the one question that cuts through all the excuses, the one we spend so much energy trying to avoid. If not right now, then when? Seriously, when is that magical, perfect moment going to arrive? If you're being honest, you've been telling yourself soon for a long, long time. Okay, so how do we break the cycle? This is the turning point, and it means we have to completely flip the script on how we think change works. We sit around waiting for motivation to strike like a bolt of lightning, but that's a total myth. The future you, the better version of you, they aren't born from a feeling. They're born from a single, powerful decision. See, we have the whole formula completely backwards. We think we need to feel confident before we can act, but it's the other way around. It starts with one small decision. That leads to one small action. And that action, well, that's proof. That's evidence you show your brain that you can do it. And confidence isn't the fuel, it's the exhaust. It follows the proof. And this right here is the most dangerous part of the whole journey. That beginning phase is awkward, it's hard, it feels clunky. And right there, at that point of maximum discomfort, right before momentum is about to kick in, that's where almost everyone quits. You have to understand what's at stake in this moment, because the choice you make right now, it's not just about today. You are actively creating one of two very, very different futures for yourself. In the moment, waiting feels like the safe play, doesn't it? No risk, no discomfort, but it's a total illusion. Because inaction has a price tag, and it's a cost that compounds with interest every single day. And what is that cost, really? Well, it's measured in years. Years you can never get back. It's measured in the slow, quiet erosion of your self-respect.
every time you break another promise to yourself. But the biggest cost, the most painful one, it's the ghost of the person you know you could have been.
Think about that. The pain of effort, it's heavy for sure, but it's temporary. You get to put it down when you're done. The weight of regret, you carry that with you forever.
So if you're feeling a knot in your stomach right now, if this is making you a bit uncomfortable, good. Don't turn away from that feeling. That discomfort isn't a stop sign, it's a signal. It's proof that a part of you knows it's time. It means you're ready.
I want you to picture this. 1 year from today, you are going to be in one of these two places. There is no third option. You'll either look back, proud that today was the day you finally started, or you will be right here in this exact same spot, wishing you had. So we come back to it. The only question that matters. No one is coming to do this for you. This is your life, your moment. So I'll ask you one last time. If not now, then when? Not tomorrow, not next week. Start today.